Making a new After Effects tutorial for each day of the year. Day 8 of 365. I'm gonna teach you how to use the repeater to create these animations in seconds. Right click in the timeline, go to new and select shape layer. Click add and select rectangle. The rectangle needs color, so let's add a fill. Go to add and select fill. You can change the color here. And now let's add the repeater. Go to add, select repeater. Now we have copies of our shape. To make the copies to be in a circular way, we gotta go to the transform of the repeater and change the position to 0. Now go above and offset the position of the rectangle. Now go to the transform of the repeater and you can change the rotation. They will rotate like this. Increase the number of copies. I will set 6. To make each copy to be at the same distance, we have to put in the rotation 360 divided by the numbers of copies we have. In this case, divided by 6. Now our repeater is perfectly symmetrical. We can automatically do this by alt-clicking the rotation stopwatch and type in 360 divided by and grab the big whip and select the copies. Now if you change the number of copies, it will always remain the same. Let's animate. We gotta go to add and select group and move the rectangle path to the group, and you will see this transform inside the group. You will find more properties here you can animate. And let's animate from the group transform properties. So animate the position, the rotation and the scale down. And we made this animation. Now to make a line animation, we have to unlink the size of our rectangle path and decrease one side until it becomes really thin. Animate the size from small to big. Now go to the transform properties of the group and animate the scale from big to small. It will create this effect. Increase the size and the number of copies, easy is the keyframes and you will have this. Now to make a star animation, delete the rectangle path. Go to add and select polystar. Move it inside the group, animate the position. Now go to repeater 1, open the transform properties and animate the scale from here. Also the group scale. Animate the position to make them go, add a rotation and finally an echo with these settings. And this is the result. Full tutorials and project files on my YouTube channel.